Your CV is your ticket to your dream job, and we're here to help you supercharge it. Get ready for some game-changing tips to make your CV shine brightly from the crowd. Let's dive in. Subscribe to CVMaker today to get the best career advice and CV writing tips to stay ahead of the competition. Are you frustrated by the relentless cycle of sending out job applications and hearing crickets instead of an email back? Are you discouraged by endless rejection emails? Does the phrase, "Your application was not successful this time," sound all too familiar? If your answer is yes, keep watching to discover that it's not you, it's most likely your CV holding you back. Your CV is your first impression, so make it count. Here are 5 tips to take your CV from good to great. Make sure it showcases your enthusiasm and aligns with the job. Showcase relevant soft skills like leadership, problem solving, and communication. One size doesn't fit all in the world of CVs. Tailor your CV for each application, making it perfectly suited to the job you desire. Like any outfit, it needs to fit the purpose. If you're not hearing back from a company, revisit the job description and consider if it aligns with your CV. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, which filter candidates by year of experience, specific skills, qualifications, and other factors. To beat them, include relevant keywords from the job description. Use action verbs like accomplished, executed, and streamlined to catch the attention of hiring managers and recruiters. Measurable achievements make your CV more compelling. Instead of merely telling, use numbers, percentages, and figures to make an impact and showcase how you can deliver exceptional results. Your CV is your story, and authenticity shines. Showcase your genuine skills, experiences, and aspirations, and let your uniqueness be your superpower. Don't let your CV hold you back. Dedicate time to craft a CV that mirrors your professional journey and career aspirations, bringing you a step closer to securing your dream job. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to CVMaker today for more career advice and CV writing tips.